guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Jaisha and today I'm going to be showing you my brand new toy. Guess what? Santa got me a Dyson what is it called? So for Christmas, Santa got me a brand new Dyson blow dryer. Thank you, Santa. And we're about to try it out for the very first time. I'm excited because I have been eyeing this blow dryer probably since it came out a few years ago, and I just never pulled the trigger because of the price point. The claims are that it dries your hair faster and with less damage, like not using as much heat, you know, Dyson technology, I don't know. So I got this super special pink one, in pink and blue and orange. I don't know if this is a special edition or what it's for, but I like bright colors, so this is cool. It comes with a case, I guess if you need to travel with it, and it comes with several attachment pieces. A comb attachment, a concentrator nozzle, a flyaway attachment, which I probably wouldn't use much because I think this is for straight hair, but I don't really know how to use this. A diffuser, of course, which we will be using today. And I forgot what this part is called, but I believe it is also for curly hair. So as you can see, my hair is freshly done. I styled it, put my product in it. Normally I sit under a hooded dryer for maybe 30 to 45 minutes, and then I use my diffuser afterwards to get like around the perimeter of my head or inside like my roots, because the dryer just can't get to it and it's still wet. So in total it takes me roughly an hour to fully dry my hair. I've never only used a diffuser. I've air dried, I've sat under the hooded dryer, but I've never just like took a diffuser to soaking wet hair, which is what I'm about to do. And we're gonna time it and see how this works. So let's go. I'm gonna put this baby to use. So magnetic comb attachment, not comb, magnetic diffuser attachment. All the attachments are magnetic. It just boom, sticks on, which off the rip, that's a plus, because you know how when you have comb attachments or diffusers while you're doing the hair, while you're doing your hair, they tend to fall off. At least that happens to me. We have a few settings. Power button. This is blue, so I'm guessing that's the cool shot button. This is the heat, like low, medium, or high, and this is, I guess, the air pressure, like low, medium, or high. I am gonna start with, I don't use the cool shot on any blow dryer. Some people use it, but I've never needed to. I'm gonna start on medium heat and medium air pressure, and if we need to go up from there, we will. I'm really gonna time this and show you how long it takes. Pressing start. "11 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay, I'm just making sure my hair is like completely dry. so that I know this time is right. My hair is actually dry. Like, I was trying to feel around to see if there was any parts that I missed. And my roots are dry. The ends are dry. Okay, first thing first, the medium heat and medium air pressure was definitely enough. It was actually kind of hot. My bathroom mirror started getting foggy. The drying time, do we even need to talk about it? 11 minutes to dry my whole head. Unheard of. Now let's get into these results. Hello! First of all, with the hooded dryer, my hair is always super flat. A diffuser clearly gives a lot more definition. This is not definition, sorry. You get a lot of volume with the diffuser, and I guess it's from, like, you know, moving your hair around, you're pushing it up. When you're using the diffuser, you're pushing your curls upward, so it kind of, I guess, is helping the curl to form and shrink a little bit, but it definitely gives you that volume. If you struggle with getting volume on like your first day, or just you have thin hair, whatever, the diffuser might be the answer for you. I don't know if my hair looks this great because I tried a new product combination, or if it's because this blow dryer was just great. What I can say is it dried my hair fast as hell. And we love that. Cutting down time on wash day. Hello? 11 minutes? Listen, if nothing else, it saved me a whole lot of time, and my results are amazing. Okay, let me give y'all a little close-up of the curls, because hello. How's the back look? I haven't done any shaping, I haven't picked my hair out, nothing. This is just straight from diffusing, and it's fully dry. Listen, I think it's time for the hooded dryer to go. Okay, so things we love. Obviously the drying time, the volume, and we're not using as much heat on our hair. So that's it. I just wanted to share my new toy with you guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos of me doing my hair, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.